So we got Lil Yachty at LAX. So we asked him, how do you smile properly wearing a grill?
I like it, bro. I like
it. You know, I think the way to get used to it is like you gotta have a top one, because then it's just your teeth. When you only have one, like if you only have a top or you only have a bottom, you're trying too hard to show it off.
The reason we asked is our camera guy has a grill. I got me a grill.
I see you.
You feel me?
I see you.
Is it hitting?
It's fly.
When Jake went to Houston, he got made a TMZ grill, which is gold with TMZ and diamonds written on it.
Oh, no, he didn't.
He's not expensing this.
He said it cost him quite a lot of money.
Oh, no, he didn't.
Look at it.
What do you owe? No, you should be proud of him. I want a little more school spirit in this place.
We're TMZ. If you like our vibe, click on that button and hit subscribe. We'll send you more.